Mm. She took Ignite mid,
Yeah, that's
so we
greedy.
just win after laning phase.
If we don't get behind.
Yeah. They have...
It's rough for me too. They have 2 ignites.
I know.
And then a
It's...
spell shield and an Olaf hour.
Baloney.
Yeah. They have so many ways to cancel your ulti. Where it's like you're probably just gonna have to ulti Gnar out of every fight.
Or building coming.
Yeah, because if Gnar's not there, then we just shred their Olaf in like half a second. Because they don't have CC really, apart from Gnar.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you should be standing far enough back to not get hit by Nico unless she lands this amazing flank. Or like flash proto belt kind of thing, which I don't think she can. So we should just be able to shred Olaf in half a second if you ulti Gnar out.
Five stack or 5 point.
5 point.
We could watch the stack here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just put a ward here and then we can stack.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure Olaf's gonna try to late invade or something on red.
They want to
Yeah,
invade with that.
They
You
can't
get 2
invade with that comp.
Do you think that Flay Start is good for the multi-man? Or not?
Yeah, it can be. I'm not sure.
I guess Galio's great for this though.
Yes, it is.
Our champion models are so big in this push.
Careful. Let's see. No balls?
It can be a late invade.
Good, good. Oh,
Yeah, they just ward there. So they're over there. They still can walk, but you can go top.
I'm going top now.
Yeah.
he's fucking leaving our asses.
Yeah.
So you might want to
They
watch
shouldn't invade now.
Are you just starting Raptors?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Oh.
you.
It's an Olaf.
We can get the level 2, but he could level 2 us too. Gank wise.
Don't forget they have a
I
ward there.
doubt he will. Normally Olaf's just full clear.
Wait a
It's a
second.
Nico, it's a Nico.
Oh wait, so dumb.
I'm dumb. I always
They
do
might be
this.
cheesing in the bush. No, they're leashing.
They could be, you're right, but
Yeah, they are leashing 100%.
I need
Started.
to
Hurt.
He started there.
arrange this.
They didn't use mana though, which I guess they don't need to. He might have started Raptors. But I'm pretty sure it's just a blue start.
got the level 2 for sure.
Yeah, I know
We definitely
Olaf can definitely level 2 gank though.
Yeah.
We have Mundo on this side of the map, and we're full health.
I'm gonna reset right now, so...
Okay, we should do it now then. Just try for it. Cash is looking for it.
Okay. Yeah, he's probably going to Raptors right now. Probably crossing mid.
That still hits you. Crazy.
Dude, I can't fucking.
Yeah, no, I back up. We can hover towards mid since they're fighting.
I'm gonna ward buys blue.
Okay, okay, okay.
Over there.
They're gonna get the level
Yeah,
3
Olaf's
if we're not
topside.
careful. Yeah, they get level 3 over us. Shot.
Penguin, come get this.
Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, I hit him.
How shove this then?
We win this.
One more minion, I'm level 3.
Okay.
Did she have flash? Oh, she just ignited me.
Come
Not
get your
bad.
double buffs now.
Alright, she didn't flash, she just ignited.
Mhm.
I guess if I just insta-flash away, then I survive. Not bad.
Just the fact she had Ignite, really.
Yeah, I don't remember mid laners taking Ignite. I just
I need
didn't.
a lantern or something.
I want the spot scuttle.
Okay.
We can fight it. Yep, he's there. Right here, right here.
Yeah.
I got a lamp right here.
Goes missing.
Top is TP.
I'm getting minion blocked like crazy.
I'm not TPing on this wave.
Yeah, no, we're fine, we're fine. We just
yeah.
walk out. We walk out. He flashed. He flashed too, I think.
Souls. Okay.
He had to have healed.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, he did.
I got creep blocked so bad.
I know you did. But you tanked the creep block for me.
Yeah, right.
Can't creep block all of us. Imagine giving your jungler last pick and that's happening to him.
Well, the top lane just lost the lane for him. He has Nari, which is
I
power
know.
level 3, and I get the entire scuttle for you.
Yeah, I still would have been there before, and then I would have killed him too.
Yeah, but you would
think
have skipped
he was
them
dead no matter what.
and run. That's more of a coin flip, because their mid does ignite. We don't win 3v3.
Yeah, I guess.
Ezreal still hasn't backed yet.
I hit level 6
So we
here.
can actually get a freeze here.
That might be a free gank.
I just want to reset.
We could, but
wait.
Dragon's up, so they could just do Dragon
Yeah.
if we freeze.
Yeah.
I think we have to thin it.
Yeah, we see Olaf there. He's 2 levels down already.
He's
Yeah,
level down. He's
just so that we're ready to push it if we need to.
I'm on my way.
I have TP. Nari's level 6.
Morgana's challenging you?
He just started dragon. He just started dragon with X.
Okay.
Okay. No. Yeah, he's doing
We're
it.
fighting?
No,
No.
it's
He went
coming towards
that
me.
bush, I think.
I have 6.
He might be in that bush.
We can fight this. I have top prio.
This is our dragon. If we just
I
shove
think
out
Ezreal's
bottom, we
resetting.
just get it. Yeah, we get it. Yeah, he has no items.
Well,
He has no items. It's our dragon. All you have to do is shove it out, and then we're there.
Yeah. Now we do it, yeah.
Yep, I'm walking straight to it right now. They shouldn't ever be able to contest.
Take this push for me.
she's here.
I'm trying to.
It's just ours.
Think so?
Ezreal isn't able to contest. No.
Yeah, he had to back.
Yeah. No, there's nothing they can do about that.
I do have a ward. I'm gonna
See him.
ward by
Okay.
his blue.
Should,
Yeah.
should be okay. We see
We see Olaf top.
the jungle.
His blue
Yeah.
buff's up.
Mm,
I like waves more than blue buff at the
Yeah.
moment. The jungle's
I'm
there,
a-
then yes, but not without jungle.
yeah, just
Ezreal's
a little
here, too.
scared of their. Ezreal was missing for a while. I wasn't sure where he was. If he was checking his jungle.
We just keep the push on.
Yeah, I don't have any stacks. And I'm just here with lamp.
We see
Alright.
Olaf up there. He's
Oh,
only
it's
level
going down
5.
nicely.
I'm going there. We can invade him.
Yeah, I'm
We
back.
can hover towards you.
We might be walking over a ward here, if I had to guess.
Yeah, just use it.
I was missing. Oh, she's here.
No.
Oh, we missed the word.
Nice.
It's too bad.
What was that?
He's still level 5. I'm pretty sure we still
Ezreal
win
has
this.
ult, though. He's gonna try to ult me.
Mid is prow. We have to leave. Mid is prow.
Okay.
Ezreal's looking for an ult.
If you
Okay.
see that, Ray, just call us off for being fucking idiots for trying to fight that.
She had TP, that's the only reason, and we had a ward for her. That was the only reason why.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just don't want to spend
I
it.
also
on
have TP. Okay, no TP. We have big advantage here.
Yeah, we have to reset this so you can get health back.
I got a pot going.
Yeah.
Olaf's doing a
Oh,
drop right now.
Olaf could look at us. I don't want to
dead.
push this if we don't have to.
Really?
Nah, let him push into us. I'm gonna.
That-
Oh my god,
I thought
there's
you were
one.
I have a
gonna-
TP ward there just in case.
My red buff should have killed her. She healed off of something.
Bad.
Her pot healed her.
No, she didn't.
in the pot.
Her pot healed her.
I didn't even see her heal.
It was the pot ticking. She was
Yeah,
using them.
she had a pot ticking.
I got cannon.
I
Oh.
saw her HP go off. Yeah.
We know that Olaf's pathing away, so we should be able to fight here. In the, maybe not that we necessarily want to, but
Yeah. I mean, we still get her flash for free, so I'll take the free victory.
Alpha's no ult.
Her ulti did nothing to
no
us.
Q, no Q, no
I
weak
know.
Punisher. We walk at
I
him.
don't have a thing.
Okay.
I'm on my way.
Oh, he has no chomp. He's so dead. Aw, wave. Okay, we just take the wave in. We do not dive this, right?
Yeah, we do.
I'm trying to push this under tower. So I'm hoping
Never
to
mind.
get
You don't trust me.
I didn't.
I am
believe
the
he's
Mundo
on my
man. I
team.
still had flash. I'm chilling.
You want to fight bot? I have TP.
I had
let's
yeah,
go.
we can.
I'm not on mount.
I'm on Ezreal. On Morg, on Morg.
I expect Morg out. No flash on Morg.
No heal on Ezreal.
No ignite on Morg.
Nice.
I'll
Nice.
take that. 2 for
Yeah.
1.
Big.
You might want Merc Treads, right?
We need a little bit of help pushing this.
Okay, yeah, I got
or
it. I got it.
Just hover me.
Yeah.
Sorry.
A little bit of
Fine,
MR
fine.
goes a long way into that matchup.
I don't care as long
A
as we
little
get
bit of
pushed.
help, he takes the whole wave.
Little
I
head.
mean, he TP'd. That's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting mercs
And
this game,
ulted.
bro. They have way too
Yeah.
much fucking CC.
I'm doing it too, yeah.
Yeah, it just looks so free. They were so pushed up.
Yeah. I just know
I'm
Ray's
sorry
been
you
chunked
died.
out a lot, that's all.
Oh no, I just Ezreal blind ulted me out of the bush, so.
Yeah.
I
No, I
got
just had no
this pink.
But that
Do we
should
know
get
where
us.
Olaf is?
We want to make this dragon play. He's on
Yeah.
Rift.
Yeah.
Nara
Still
is gonna
should
have
be-
R and TP though, so we have to be a little bit careful.
Olaf's
Okay, we
ganking
see
mid.
him. Yeah. He might just look to drop Herald. I'm gonna reset and go Dragon now, be careful.
Yeah, they're gonna
He's
have
awesome.
Scuttle. They're gonna get Scuttle.
Yeah. I'm getting my boots right now. Okay,
We're
on my
chilling.
way.
In theory, we don't have to overforce for this trade.
Yeah, I'm
But-
going to go straight bot. Because Olaf is probably gonna look bot right now.
half my ulti.
He went into his jungle. I mean,
Mid is
if
missing.
you lantern me in, they're dead.
No Q.
Yeah, you can just lantern me, lantern me. Oh.
Okay, okay.
You just
Fine,
shove
we-
this
we
in
gotta
and then
plug into
rotate
the
as a team.
dragon. Yeah.
Mid is missing.
Yeah, you
still.
still just walk there.
Pink and bush two. No, bush. One of the bushes. Over here. 3. We just do it right. Careful of that.
Careful of the Nara TP. I just don't want to dove, so I'm worried.
Yeah. Nico's not even
Yeah,
around.
yeah, we get that.
He's
Okay.
the bot. I think
Oh.
he's wasted. We have to help. We have to
Just,
help.
No, I'm out,
can
I'm
y'all
out,
get
I'm out,
Just get out, get out,
I'm
get
out, I'm out.
Okay,
Yeah,
we're
I'm
out.
fine, I'm fine.
Yeah, let's just clear this.
Nara didn't TP.
I'll just last at the back. They're coming. Bot's coming. Don't tunnel on it. Yeah, they're coming.
Yeah.
They're coming. We have to leave.
Okay.
Nara is no mega for TP.
I'm hovering it. She missed Q. She missed Q.
Yeah, I knew they were in there. I was doing fine.
Nice hook.
I kind of like that, but I mean,
I don't have ulti or flash. Yeah, I don't want to fight.
I couldn't get. Yeah.
Ah ha ha. I
Nice.
smited it too just to make sure it'd kill. Nice.
I think
Just
Olaf's
play back.
here, I think.
Yeah, he's
No, no,
looking
no,
to
play
do a
back.
little cheesy cheese.
Play back, play back. I don't want to fight. I don't want to
Yeah,
fight.
we're
it's fine.
chilling, we're
fine.
chilling, we're
It's
chilling.
clear. You have a full jungle.
Yeah. We win right now if we just let scale.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure we all outscale their
Very
champs.
hard. Scale them.
Nara's pretty good, but it's fine. It just ults for him.
Yeah. I mean, it's just us choosing correct fights, really.
I'm so glad that doesn't proc my guardian.
It could be in the bush still. I need to check it.
I got a lamp. Okay.
If he's sitting down there, then it's whatever.
Yeah, we'll just let him.
Yeah, you can just sit at tower for a while, I think. They're
I
just
don't want
perma
shut
shoving.
down.
Get a plate.
What do you think I
Mid,
am? 2 years old?
top lane. He is TP.
Mid is missing.
I was born yesterday.
Jungle's missing.
Free kill top, I think, actually.
I'm kind of just wanting to farm to 11.
Okay.
I guess I can come up there. He's griefing. I'll be there when you come out.
Okay, yeah. You never know.
Yeah, you don't.
Yep,
You
jump.
never know what kind of shenanigans people are
Oh,
up
he
to
did.
nowadays.
Oh, wait, he flashed.
Really
I didn't
don't.
see that. No flash, no jump on him. Nice.
Oh, welcome.
How annoying.
I don't have any wards up right now, so I think I'm just gonna chill right here and kind of in XP range. I can get the cannon.
Go back.
Yeah, all you're doing is just chilling into that. Everywhere else on the map's winning. So, I mean, she's just
Not even
perma.
chilling.
Range on that. Really hits
Yeah,
me
no,
back.
no, but you just win
Yeah,
by
no,
not dying to her,
crazy.
being honest.
She's just AFK pushing.
Just looking to poke you. It's a lot easier to gank every other lane, in my opinion, than mid right now.
Bot's their easiest lane, and they just keep it perma shoved. So
Yeah, I mean, it's really just pretty free.
Yeah, I thought Ezreal just wanted to, like, freeze. And let...
Yeah,
Yeah.
especially with an Olaf Morgana, like,
It's
Yeah.
because she has to push for that.
and he's letting a jinx freeze. So it's like, okay, I'm fine with that.
Yeah.
You're still up.
I hit-
CS.
11 off of this. And then I can gank anywhere. I'll be insane after that. I'll have ult and can tank up. Be like Thanos.
I'm literally just trying to give you vision over here by try.
Yeah, it's actually that's what. Yeah, that's the good play. And now we just hold this.
Yeah.
I'll stop her back at the last second.
Okay.
Oh, missing, but I have TP to follow.
Alright, we stopped their backs.
Olaf's there. Oh wait, I can be there. I'm 2 levels
I can
up.
be there too.
Yeah, I'll send the wave here.
What if? Oh, there's no ward. Never mind.
We can fake a fight here.
Yeah, yeah.
There's no
Take a
ward. There's
fight.
no ward. There's no
I'll
ward.
be there.
I need a ward. There's. Yeah, I can't TP anywhere.
I'm looking for an ulti.
Oh, I didn't mean to click that. I just baited like 4 flashes.
Nice. Oh, he's so low too. It's like 10 HP. Good job.
Yeah, it's fine.
Can we just take tower? Trade
Yeah.
that?
Yeah,
We
Ray
want
needs to
Dragon
reset and go back.
Yeah.
I want that.
I want that.
I'll have ulti up by then. Olaf, no flash. I'll have flash up too.
I don't have any wards. I think I'm gonna reset.
Okay, go ahead. You really did that while having Gromp up.
Yikes.
They're gonna trade Rift, I think.
Well, that's fine. We've got 3 dragons. And
Alright,
it's Mountain
so-
Soul on a Mundo.
Morgana, no stopwatch. I don't think she has
Or
enough
ult.
for Zonia's on that back. She might. Yeah, she
Oh,
does.
she does. He flashed.
Yeah, Morgana, no flash. Did Olaf flash in that fight? Did
Yes,
he
he
flash
did.
away? Okay.
He flashed on me to try to kill me and then had to run away right
There's
after.
Nico's there.
There's a Nard
Wait.
here.
I mean,
have
I
land
can
for you.
fight.
You wanna?
Once Jinx gets here, we can fight.
Yeah, 5 seconds.
Okay, no jump
here.
on Nard. Does Nard have flash though?
Oh, he has
No,
a mega. We should force here.
Yeah, yeah.
He has no.
Nice.
Dude, I can't even know this rooted.
Wait, Jinx
No
is popping
flash
off?
on Nico.
Yeah.
No flash on Nico.
I don't have any.
We lose that really hard. That. I don't think we forced that. We got a bunch. We just turned on.
I was having.
Or yeah, maybe the force was too hard.
And well, we just had no way to follow it.
Morgana got 3 of the kills.
And we're in a pinch point here for Nico ult. That's really bad.
Or no, Morgana didn't. Nico did.
Nico got a huge ult.
I was told to force. That was all I did.
Yeah.
When they pop ults, we just back up.
Okay.
We don't want to fight anywhere that's like small.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was more
Morgana
focused
and
on like the
Nico.
Gnar thing, but yeah, maybe
Yeah.
he's just so weak it doesn't matter. You know, we go mid to here though.
Yeah. Ezreal's gonna constantly shove bottom
He
into
just
you
got a
anyways, so
lot
you
of
get big farm.
shutdowns, don't forget.
Yeah.
Nico got 600 plus a bunch.
We lost a lot of work, but I think we're still ahead.
Wait, Nico just got like over 1,000.
Yeah, yeah.
No one killed me, apparently. No one
Huh?
got my shutdown.
Cruelty is a gift I learned from the living.
I lost top. Okay.
Oh my god, he's still at R again.
It's on like a 30-second cooldown.
Oh my god, if I just...
So
my
good.
fucking flash buffered. I was so free. Why did it go after?
Nothing that
They're
I
okay.
played
They
it
can't get Herald.
perfectly.
Can we kill him?
I'm coming.
Try and
No
stop
R,
something.
no R.
I have to hold mid. Just you guys.
I herald the greatest blessing.
It could be Nico and Morgana could be coming. Missing.
Ezreal's holding a free spot. We're in a lot of trouble here.
I'm just gonna shut.
I was gonna try and catch up.
Oh, he's caught up now.
Morgana's here.
Wait, somebody has to catch that top wave. I thought that...
I'll be there. I'll be there.
Right, you're not gonna want to go there probably. He's gonna hold that freeze.
I grant them all.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Life is pain.
So I get MR.
Like what?
Don't
What's
put
in?
small.
No, I think either QSS or just a
No
mob.
flash on that. He's about to hit Mega. Be careful.
It's like more
Ezreal is
Q.
pushing the bottom wave now. Nice.
My magic is older than life.
Okay, there's siege at bottom.
You can get tower.
If anyone's up here, I just die.
I don't think there is.
I don't think they can dive you very
Keeping
easy.
him.
Yeah, we can help this.
Holy hell, my health. Where'd it go?
Nico's here.
Oh, I'm dead. No one stepped in. Oh, okay. What are we doing? Just
We can't step up.
but we lost the game off that forest dragon.
It's still very winnable though.
Yeah, it's still one for sure.
To live is to
We just have to.
to survive
Better
Ezreal
win
Q
con.
is got 600 damage,
the suffering.
Yeah, still doable.
and we're just trolling at this point.
Alright, are we fighting this dragon?
I can't. What am I gonna? I'm so far behind.
I think you just alt like someone and then you just sit there.
Yeah, you can ult and stopwatch someone.
Okay.
Nico's
Looking at this.
Yeah, this is a huge catch.
Yeah, this is dead, right?
Like,
Nice.
I'm
Huge,
knowing-
that's dragon.
Yeah, I'm like, she's
Huge
has to be dead.
trolling.
That's
We're
30
walking
seconds.
together. I just don't die. Oh, we're looking. Yeah.
No flash on Morg. Don't over chase. Nar has TP.
I don't have anything for you.
Fine. We just have to go back to dragon.
We go to
Here's
dragon.
two.
We could catch him coming through here.
Let's
Or just do it.
Ragnar.
What's the call?
We want to burst this. I have
Yeah,
ult.
we
Yeah, just
want-
go. He's gonna push. We have to move together. They might go on you. What? They're gonna just try and walk through. We can catch him on the. Nice. I get excited.
I don't think we go. We don't
No,
go.
no.
No, we just take the
We
creature.
have waves.
Very
Wanna
winnable.
reset?
I'm resetting too.
Jinx, you want that top wave or no?
You go ahead and take it.
The dead pass into
You can
spirits.
take red buff
The
if you want.
spirits pass into my collection. That is how it must be.
Sure.
Wait, he still has that?
It probably didn't reset.
Okay. I guess, yeah, he has to show for it to reset.
In death,
I need 300 gold.
we become family.
Yeah, careful. Nico kills us.
Is the depths of a spirit.
I have TP.
Yeah, you're in the right spot.
Careful for
One of
Nico
those-
here.
Yeah, that
I'm
one's
waiting
Nico.
out 10 gold. You might want to TP if they're fighting.
Yeah, we're good, we're good, we're good.
Alright, yeah, we're doing fine.
Wait, what?
They're going to look for Baron though. So we're going to have to
Yeah,
walk up
What just
into
happened?
Nico. What?
My fucking item just sold and I ran out, and then I couldn't undo that. So now I'm off. I had the gold for my fucking hourglass. Fuck
Yikes.
Riot. BDS calling it.
Screams of agony echo.
I can't help that. We need to just push this out.
One of those Morganas is a Nico. The other Morgana, not that one.
The other Morgana. Okay, I think Galio's good. We just chill for Galio, right? Okay, he has Gnar there.
Spirits, alone and forsaken.
Can't walk up there. They go on me if I walk up.
Grant them
I
That
got
one's
flash on.
Nico, that one's Nico. All we have to do is fight for that and not let them get Baron.
I'm gonna reset after you clear these waves.
I don't want to
They're all missing mid. You have to
Oh,
back up.
just run. Just run.
Yeah, they're going on Gnar probably. Or Galio. Okay, you're good.
Nar still has no tank shred.
What's the call? Do you think it's QSS or Ma? I think it's QSS, right?
I think USS.
Yeah, I guess, yeah. Into that team, QSS is really good.
Morg, I guess.
Yeah, you just have to stay away from Nico.
Nico more.
Might-
Yeah.
In my heal cut, I guess we have probably enough, right?
Maybe.
I want to say it
Yeah.
can't hurt, but it's up to you.
They don't have much healing.
I think we
like
care
a-
about me just killing them more, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Give it bugs again. Leave a minute.
They saw me crossing bot side, so I have to reshow.
A lot of missing. Okay, they're bot side jungle.
Okay.
Nico mid.
Yeah. I'm gonna reset. I'm coming for a dragon.
Oh,
for setup.
Olaf is taking Krugs. So he's
Yeah, no,
bot.
that's one of those is Nico. She's just perma showing as
Morgana.
yeah.
I want to guess because everyone's standing further back is probably Morg. I mean, Nico.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
Morg wants to go too.
She doesn't want to lose her cover. Yeah.
Well, no, she also wants to be closer than Morg for
I can
bindings.
cover top.
Olaf was here.
Actually, no. Be careful. We have 50 seconds on Drake.
Mhm.
I just
Yeah. I really want
Sorry.
this Drake.
That's our soul too. So.
Sorry, Soul. I have a.
Would we
bot
trade
every
Baron? We have Jinx Wave Clear.
Life is pain.
We just can't give Baron now.
I don't blue
They're
drink.
sitting in a bush. I think they're sitting in
Yeah,
a bush.
hold on. I don't,
Yeah, they
I don't
just
know if it's
warded.
worth us walking up here.
Yeah.
I can't clear that.
We would see them hitting now.
Okay, we just
Yeah, yeah, we can see them if they walk up into it.
Nice ward.
Thanks.
We should you bot.
Olaf's bottom by blue buff.
Yeah.
I'm walking there. I
They're
don't.
just setting up for dragon.
Yeah.
He has TP top.
We can take complete control of this river.
Noah's gonna TP. He shouldn't have Mega on TP.
We
watch for the
can set him
Nico
right up
initiate.
on.
We just watch for the
Yeah,
Nico
yeah.
initiate.
He doesn't have not mega. He's
Let's
walking
stop
down.
Nico.
We just burst it. We burst
Nico's gonna just burst me the fuck to no
Yeah.
end.
Ah.
Oh no.
Nar on the back line. He's going mega soon.
Nice.
Not bad on the smite, guys.
Not
I could
We
have
get
landed
Baron.
that.
Can
We just
get
get Baron.
Baron off that?
Yeah, we
Just
can.
Baron, we just Baron. We have Jinx.
Yeah.
Can we just push or
Oh,
Baron?
Baron,
Baron,
Baron.
Baron.
Okay. I like pushing that. I don't know.
I hit 16 off of Baron. Chandy can push. I don't think we need you.
I have a lot-
Actually,
okay,
yeah,
we
we need you.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
need you. We need
Yeah.
I
we
have.
need damage.
So, yeah, I guess 10 seconds, yeah.
Yeah, we need damage.
I have TP.
We just need to full hit it.
You have a lantern? Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
Way ahead of you, bud.
No. I don't
You can
think
go
so.
top, go top.
Yeah, you can just
The
walk
wave.
top, walk top, walk top.
Oh, we both did 16 off that.
Yeah.
I need this.
I need something.
Okay. You can take wolves. I can just reset. Don't worry about me.
Friends with all spirits
I hit my spike.
until they decide to question me.
Yeah, I could have landed that smite. That would have been arsenal. That would have been huge.
It's really good on Gal too.
Yeah, it's really
Be
good.
good
for
on me too.
too.
It'd be really good on like 4 of our champions.
There's a red buff up.
Actually, be good on all 5.
Is such a harsh word. I prefer
Don't forget to
Oh,
every
I know it's off tempo, but after this red buff, I get IE, so I think it's
Yeah, yeah.
massive.
Yeah.
I can
Oh, we
TP
have to
that.
push?
I can TP. Do we win? I'm TP.
Yeah.
Just play slow.
Okay,
That's
enough
Nice.
for our ult.
Good TP, good
Yeah,
TP.
nice.
We live.
Just back.
Can I reset now?
Yeah,
They're,
yeah,
they're all,
to-
yeah,
to
yeah,
reset?
they're all going up top. Just
Okay, we
back
just
up,
run,
just back
we
up.
run.
who need
Yeah, you got his ult and flash. Okay.
Dude, you go bot now because you have TP.
I got a lamp for you, I guess.
Yeah.
Or
I don't want him to shove this wave out.
I have my ulti now.
I'm 17.
I'm gonna hover Jinx here in case they will.
Yeah. We just bust mid down.
Yes.
Yeah, we need to get something off this Baron. We haven't got anything yet.
Yeah.
It's half.
Yeah, you can just shove mid. Really hard.
Sage.
That one's Nico. That one's Nico.
every spirit is
Okay.
useful.
We just hit.
Yeah.
Can we get one more? That'd be
I'm
ideal.
standing in front, yeah. I just can't.
Nico's there.
Oh,
Okay, we back up.
yeah. Nars coming down.
I think I might be dead.
I have a lamp on you.
I can hold you off. I do a lot of
Oh,
damage.
Nar? We back up and then if
No,
we
no, no.
engage- I'm on Nar.
I'm ulting him.
I have Nar.
You have
He is
heal?
about to
Do
get
you have
Mega.
Oh no, her.
I used it,
proto
I
got
used
me.
it.
I think I'll win that though. Nar backline.
He's ready.
Yeah,
He
he's
doesn't.
not getting anything out of that. I'll take that.
Where's
We
Olaf?
can keep pushing.
Fight.
He has no R. He's useless.
We just push. We just push.
I tried tanking.
Yeah, I saw that. That's
Reset?
unlucky.
Yeah, we should back up. We back up. Actually, we have wave. We have wave. You can get.
Wait, we have a wave. Wait, we can get an inhib. We have 30 seconds on Nico.
Yeah.
Inhib's good here too. We get soul off of it. Maybe.
I just have to reset. I have to reset right now. Just back up right away.
I could kill this guy, but...
No. Just back away. They're all spawning right now.
Okay.
If they
Yeah.
chase, we can
We
kill.
reset and get that.
We're
Alright.
getting bots here too as well.
We
I
reset.
think.
Get
Run from
We
this
get
guy?
soul.
Just
We get soul.
Yeah, we
just
got
have to
bots
time
here
get soul.
too.
It's so free.
I have Spirit here.
Yeah, I got Force of Nature. $40 seconds on this. Just run straight.
They think me a god. No. Nothing that.
Yes? Oh, no, I see Morgana, yeah. Oh, God.
They're TPing.
Thank-
Wait, or no, they're
Yeah,
not.
we
Never
just
mind.
walk away. We
I
walk
think
away.
leave now,
No,
leave
no,
now.
they-
We got stopwatch and ulti. We got stopwatch and ulti. That's huge.
Yeah,
But-
my
Nico
ult's
back.
not as huge, so.
Actually,
Yeah.
Morgana's
Nico's on a
backing,
reset,
so we
Morgana's
just get vision
backing.
here.
Nar has halfway to Mega.
Watch out, we're not with you. They can shred.
I'm fine. Yeah, no, I'm chilling right now.
Mega Gnar now. Watch out.
Okay, he has Mega now. I have R.
We just have to be careful of his ulti. That's all.
My ulti's coming.
Okay,
Okay,
in
we
7
ulted him.
seconds.
They're on me.
He's
I'm just
saving
gonna
R.
flash. I have to flash.
Morgana's like
Okay,
2
ER.
HP.
No R on the R.
That could be Nico. That could be Nico.
We have to help. We have to help. We have to help.
Yeah.
I fucking shred, bro.
Gnar. Got him jump. Nice pullback.
Sucker.
Give me that quad,
Oh, wait.
baby.
I think we just end.
Yeah, yeah, we
I don't have TP.
Yeah, yeah. I'm faster than you.
Oh.
Hey, we lose
Gnar
by
thought
like
he was jumping over the wall.
We
I
should
flayed
never
him.
have won that after that.
Bro, I flayed the Gnar on his jump, and then he
big-
flashed, and then he
big
got pulled
league
back by
play.
Chandy.
Yeah, Nico griefed that. 100%.
Nico
I-
dying mid after I said
Yeah.
that, I griefed it. But,
But
no,
I
we
know-
don't win that if we make mistakes like that. Or we shouldn't.
Yeah, no, but we have
Yeah, but they're
Bromby.
plat too, or
Yeah,
like.
Bromby.
I know, but we shouldn't win those.
What did he mean?
I'll take
Don't
it.
counter.
I don't know.
Do you save last pick for jungle and you don't counter pick it? Huh? Oh, they got 2 diamond 2s. Or diamonds.
Yeah, they're mad.
Okay, this guy's a Graves main.
He
the
plays the
jungle?
fish.
I can deal with the Graves now.
Literally no clash match history on this guy.
He played at least last 2 games.
The gold one or which one?
3 kills
Yeah.
never hurt me.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I think the gold one's perfect.
Yeah.
He went 8-3-6.
I think
And
actually both
player-
gold ones are smurfing.
Like, let's see.
Yeah, I think both golds are smurfing.
How about 109 though?
What's
but
the
yeah,
point
we're...
in smurfing in
can
tier
we-
1 though?
Oh my god.
Cause you can be higher tier 1 than this.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, isn't there like an MMR system within it?
Yeah.
Yeah, there is.
Or like, we won't go against challengers.
Uh,
Uh, 2 of them are new to playing Clash. Or
this
new, like-
jungler is smurfing. 19-6, 16-4,
So am I, though.
12-2. No, this is
So
in
am I.
6.
So am
No,
I.
no,
So am I, though.
no, like in Clash he went 8-3 and 7-4. The game before Clash he went 18-8.
Yeah, but have you not seen me so far today?
That's in plot games. He's going 18-8, like plot 2 games.
I had 10 kills on Mundo.
I'm just telling
So
you.
it
this
looks
guy is
like-
smurfing.